Police investigators were in a section of Roadside in Kingston 13 called No Man's Land, where the headless body of a man was found on Wednesday morning. The Star understands there is an ongoing gang war in the Lower Maxfield Avenue area, and the police believe the dead man may be associated to one of the warring factions. Our news team was informed that the body was wrapped in a grey tarpaulin and placed along the roadway. The St. Elizabeth police are in Ginger Hill, where efforts are being made to retrieve the body of a man that was found in a 40-foot sinkhole late yesterday. It was reported that the man, known only as Puntai, went missing on Sunday. Following the reports, residents launched a search. The body was found sometime after 5 o'clock. A suspect was taken into police custody after a man was shot with a fishing gun in Long Road in Portland Tuesday morning. The injured man, who police said is 59 years old, had to be hospitalized after the spear from the fishing gun had reportedly lodged in his neck. Reports are that around 9 a.m., the now injured man and another had a domestic dispute. During the altercation, the police said he was shot in the neck with a fishing gun. He was rushed by residents to Port Antonio Hospital, where he was admitted. Police, after receiving a report about the incident, went to the community where the shooting occurred. Following an initial investigation, the suspect was arrested and taken into custody for interrogation. A 33-year-old taxi operator has been charged with rape after he allegedly sexually assaulted a female passenger in Peargrove, St. Mary in April. Charged is Martel Hermit, otherwise called Juju, of Palmetto Grove, Guysville, St. Catherine. Reports are that about 9:40 p.m., whilst traveling, an argument developed between Hermit and the woman, and he stopped the vehicle. It is reported that he brought the woman to another location, rendered her unconscious, and sexually assaulted her. A report was made to the police. He turned himself into the police on Monday, September 18, where he was charged for the offense.